Now I want to clearly explain about that particular table in the previous slide. Okay, so how we can fill that particular values in that particular table. So which consists of 4 rows. Yes. So in the first row, I already told you at the initial stage, the offset value is 0. And at that stage, in the first step, we can simply find out the smallest Fibonacci number, which is greater than or equal to 11. So that is a 13. So what are the previous numbers? 8 and 5 for that particular 13. And next we can simply calculate the index according to this formula. So offset value is 0, and here second previous Fibonacci number is 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay. And next n value corresponding smallest Fibonacci number which is greater than or equal to n is, so that is a 13. So this is the index. So what is the fifth element in that particular array? So that is the 45. So these are the values in that particular first row. So that is the Fibonacci member MM1, M2 and as well as I. And next the corresponding operation is the most important. So here the element is 45. Our target element is 85. Okay. So now compare that existing element with our target element. So 85 is purely greater than 45. According to the second step, in that second step, the fourth point is if that particular comparison element, our target element is greater than or equal to existing element, greater than the existing element, not equal, then perform move one down operation and as well as reset that particular offset. What is the meaning of move one down? Here 13 is, here 13 is our Fibonacci number. Yes. So in that Fibonacci number, move one down. So previous down. So go to left side. So what is the previous number? So that is the 8. So this is the 13. This is the 13. So 1 down means, so that is the 8. So Fibonacci member becomes 8. What are the previous two numbers of 8? 5 and 3. So reset offset means at the initial stage offset value is 0. Now offset becomes index. So what is I? 5. So offset is now 5. So this is the way of filling of that particular values in the first row. Okay. So for the first row, the output is this one. So this becomes input to the second row. Okay. So coming to the second row. So offset is 5. Now Fibonacci member is 8. So previous values are 5 and 3. Similarly, you can simply calculate whatever the steps you have to perform in the first row. Same steps as it is. Calculate the I. Automatically index we can simply get 8. What is the 8th element in that? So that is in the given array, that is the 82. And again perform the comparison operation. So our target element is 85. 85 is greater than 82. So automatically you can simply perform the same operation. That is a move one down and as well as reset offset. Here the element is, Fibonacci member element is 8. One down means, so go to left side, Fibonacci number sequence. So that element is purely 5. So automatically Fibonacci member is 5. What are the previous two elements? 3 and 2. Reset offset means here index is 8. Yes, index is 8. So automatically offset is 8. So this can be treated as input to the next row. Now coming to the third row. So the output of that particular second row operation is that becomes the input to the third row. So Fibonacci member value is 5, 3, 2 and offset value is 8. So similarly calculate the index is by using this formula. So corresponding index is 10. So what is the corresponding element of that particular index position? That is the 90. So here our target element is 85. Now compare that particular element with the existing element. So that is the 85 is purely less than 90. Okay. So then automatically we can simply go to the third point of the second step. So what is the corresponding operation? Only move to down. So this is the most important. So here move to down means what is the Fibonacci number now? 5. So what are the 1 down means? 3. So I already told you down means go to left side. 2 down means the value is 2. So this is the 1 down, this is the 1 down and next one is this is the 2 down. So automatically Fibonacci number is becomes 2. What are the previous values of that particular 2? 1 and 1. And don't perform any operation on that particular reset. So whatever the previous value of that not reset, offset. So whatever the value that is present in the previous offset, same copied that offset value. Okay. So these are the values that can be treated as input to the next row. So 2, 1, 1 and next offset value is 8. Similarly calculate I. So that is a 9, here array of 9. Just modify this. So the 9th element is here 85. So now clearly here the existing element and our target element is equal. Then automatically we can simply find out that particular element at a particular position. That position is index. Then automatically we can simply return that particular index. Yes. So the corresponding index value is 9. So at the 9th position our target element is present. This is the way of searching a particular element in Fibonacci method. Okay. Thank you.